memories that I have when I was younger growing up is it was always cooking. It was always a pot of corn and in the fire, and it was always fresh tortillas, and it was always great food. It was a great time. I came here when I was 17. I came here illegally. One of the places that they always need work, and there was always an opportunity to find a job. It was restaurants. So you find people from Mexico or any other places working in Italian, French, or American restaurants. The first job that I had was working as a dishwasher at a Holiday Inn hotel. Every restaurant that I work as a chef, I always wash it. Oh, really? Always. Like, we don't have a dishwasher here. Oh, really? We all wash our own dishes. It helps. We never burn anything. So I went from dishwasher to line cook, and I became a sous chef. I just didn't do anything else except work in kitchens. Well, as a trained chef, you grow up in Mexico, you think that you can just be a Mexican chef and, put into the challenge to cook Mexican food, and I didn't know anything. Put in perspective, I stopped eating tortillas. I started eating more bread because first in the restaurants that I worked, that's what they had, but also the tortillas they were around, they were not good until I started making fresh tortillas, and I was like, this is what I want. So I took it into reading and studying and have a deeper connection with my mom and ask her how to do things, and I fall in love with my culture again. Moving to Minneapolis and looking around the city, it was nobody that was making nixtamal tortillas. I purchased my first tortilla machine, and then I always had corn. And then I started making tortillas for taco nights at the restaurants that I was working. And when the pandemic hit, I lost my job, and all I had was bags of corn and a tortilla machine. And then it's been growing from there. I think we did something that in the city nobody was doing. And then people are learning and appreciating more every day. I feel like all those people like myself that we came in 20 years ago and we started working as dishwashers and line cooks. Now we have a way to express ourselves, and we finally are able to cook our own food and show what we actually have in our country and what our culture is, and give people a little piece of what we love. And now that I have a baby, I think that when you're so removed from your country and you live in a place that is so different, how do you teach your kid like where you come from and why his grandma talked to him on the phone? And I think the corn is gonna help me to get to the point where I can explain him why he is the way he is. Hopefully when we go back home and he can eat tortillas and he can have the warm heart to say like this feels like the ones in Mexico.